Hey, welcome back. I'm Nate Moore. This is Excel video 390. The project I was working on today was for a group that said, hey, we block a lot of slots in our practice management system for appointments. You know, the provider's going to be out, the provider thinks they're going to be out, there's a holiday, or for whatever reason, we've got all these blocked slots. Can you give us a daily report that shows us which slots are blocked? And even better yet, can you tell us which blocked slots changed yesterday so that we can go make sure that if the provider thought they were going to be out and everybody thought they were going to be out and then they show up on Friday and wait a minute, they're here and there aren't any appointments because we thought you were out, we can see that thing coming, we can make sure we get it fixed, and we can run the practice better with data that's already in our practice management system. What I want to do today is clean a little bit of this up. Let's get rid of this, get rid of this. You can always turn the filters back on after you've done advanced filtering like this, and we could go back and do something like, oh, I don't know, Southeast or whatever, and filters still work this way. But if we wanted to come back and use advanced filters again, what we're going to do is we're going to come to advanced, and the list range is still good, but the criteria range, notice what I've done. I've changed my criteria range. It used to go to row 3, but I've cleared all that stuff out now, so I'm only going to go to row 2. From A1 to I2 is the range where my filters are. So I'm going to do that and click OK, and it says, all right, Nate, I'll give you downtown. Now that we've done that, we've kind of cleaned it down from 2 rows of filters to 1. What I want to do here is I want to come over here and talk about wildcards for a minute. What I mean by wildcards is, let's say I want all the patients whose name starts with A who have an appointment at the downtown location. So we're going to do the same kind of thing that I've got saved in my text box over here with that syntax. And what we're going to do is we're going to say everybody that starts with A, and notice it's not case sensitive, I'm going to use lowercase a, and this asterisk on the 8 key, and the end of the quote. So show me everybody whose name starts with A, who's downtown. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to go to advanced, and my criteria range is still good, my list range is still good. I'm going to click OK, and it says, all right, here's everybody whose name starts with A and who's downtown. And down here in the very bottom corner, there's 80 of those records. So far, so good. Now, I can take wildcards one step further. Asterisk means anything after the A. So it might be Abbott, it might be Adams, it might be, doesn't matter, as long as it starts with A. If we did something like this, you can do S, and then a question mark says, I want an S, and then I want any single character. Asterisk means any character and any number of characters. The question mark lets you do any character, but there's only one character. That's the difference. Asterisk means any number of characters. Question mark means one. So if this would give me everybody who had the last name starting with S that only had 2 letters in the last name. So let's say I wanted an S and then any character at all, and then T, and then anything that comes after that. So S, question mark, give me one character. T, asterisk, give me any number of characters. That's what my syntax is going to do. And when I click on advanced here, list range works, criteria range works. Now I'm going to get Soto and Sutton. Let me scroll back up so you can see it, because I've got S, any single character, O or U, doesn't matter as long as there's only one character because I've got a question mark. Then I've got to have a T, and then I can have whatever I want after it. I might have O for Soto or Sutton or whatever else comes after that, as long as I'm in the downtown location. That's what wildcards do. Asterisk means any number of characters, question mark means one character, and you can use that to tweak your advanced filtering one step further than we could before. Stay tuned next time. I've got yet more advanced filtering tricks I want to show you. We'll do it next time. Thanks for watching.